Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. How are you all doing? In my today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this wonderful hair growth oil which will help your hair to grow long and thick. It will reduce dandruff and also it will reduce hair fall. If you want to know how I made this, please keep on watching. To make this hair oil, first I'll be using this mehendi leaves or henna leaves which I got from my neighborhood. I don't have this plant but I got it from my friend. I got fresh leaves. If you don't have this, you can also use the dry leaves. These are the leaves which is there in the stock. I have to remove it from the stock and use it. Apart from very good benefits for hair, it also has health benefits. It will detoxify your body, it will improve your nail health, and also it will cool your body temperature. Henna boosts hair growth. The natural properties of henna help promote hair growth. It can help prevent dandruff and also stop it from coming back. It removes excess grease and dirt, and also it is a good hair dye. If you don't have fresh henna leaves, you can also use henna powder or mehendi powder, which you can purchase from the market or any online stores. The next ingredient is the dry amla, which I'm using. I'm using at least 2 tablespoons. Amla has high iron content. It also has antioxidant properties which improve blood circulation around the scalp, which stimulates hair growth and also provides relief to dry, itchy scalp by reducing dandruff. Amla oil is rich in vitamin C, which is highly effective in treating hair loss and help to grow your hair. If you don't have dry amla, you can use fresh amla. Next is the wonderful herb called rosemary, which you use usually for salad dressing. Rosemary helps in stimulating blood circulation in the scalp, which in turn promotes hair growth. The oil from the herb also helps to clean the hair follicles by unclogging them, because clogged follicles can often lead to dandruff and hair loss. So next is the dry neem leaves. Actually, I had fresh leaves. We had to dry it in the sun for 2 days before I powdered it like this. You can purchase it online also. I am using neem leaves because it has the ability to increase hair growth due to its high levels of antioxidant and antibacterial properties, which help to clear your scalp of any infection. So these are the wonderful ingredients what I am going to use along with mehendi leaves to make the oil. First, you will have to grind the dry ingredients. Add at least 2 tablespoons of all the ingredients into the dry mixer jar and grind it to a fine powder. So this is how the powder looks after you grind it. After grinding it, you have to transfer it into another bowl and grind the mehendi leaves without adding water. So after grinding it, you will see that the mehendi leaves look somewhat like this. To make the oil, you need this 250 ml of coconut oil. If you don't have coconut oil, use olive oil or almond oil, whichever suits your hair. The next method comes the double boiler method. As you have seen in many other videos of mine, place a pan, put water, boil it, and place another thick bottom bowl so that it touches the water, and try to simmer it in a low flame. Add the oil. I'm using 250 ml of coconut oil, and I'm going to add the ingredients which I just ground. So first comes the mehendi leaves. I had to use my hand to take out all the mehendi leaves of the jar and put it in the oil. Then the dry ingredients. So you have to boil it in low flame for at least half an hour before you remove it. Once you add all the ingredients, make sure that you stir a bit so that it gets mixed well and then starts boiling. Stirring occasionally helps to prevent any oil getting burnt or the ingredients getting burnt. It also helps to release the properties of the ingredients used into the oil. So this is after 10 minutes, this is how it looks. It's becoming thick, so I have to leave it for another 20 minutes and then remove from the fire. So after half an hour, you can see the color of the oil has changed. That means the oil is ready. The color has turned into pale green color because of the neem and the mehendi leaves what we have used. So after removing it, you have to strain it using a strainer. You can also use a dry cotton cloth to strain. You'll have to separate the oil from the residue, squeeze out the excess oil from the residue, and then you will have to store the oil in the bottle for at least 3 months you can store without any refrigeration. So to apply this oil, you will have to apply it during the night apply twice a week, and you can shampoo it in the morning. So you'll have to separate, make a sections in your scalp, and then apply the oil, give a slight massage, and leave it overnight and shampoo it the next morning. By doing this, you can find your hair growing thicker and longer within few weeks. So if you like my video, please like, share, comment. Thanks for watching.